It's Hazard. I'm Metalis. Just showing you one glitch today, but the different part about everything is that it is with this guy. Okay. You're gonna go over to this Clank head, but before I actually do the glitch, you probably want to know what it does. So here's a hint. Okay. Now, glide over to it and go aligned with the eye socket. And then you'll just glide right up it. Try to keep it steady. And then when you pass the Clank head, like you can't see it anymore, go right and tap X pretty fast. Okay, and then you'll make it on here. Now go to the right, jump and glide on the junk. And you'll just start gliding up it. But it's pretty slow. So go upwards towards the right. And then soon you'll go over this little cliff and then you'll start walking. Now you can walk down a little, don't walk too far, and then just glide. Move to the left around the junk pile, like the bin, and then move towards that pipe. And then you'll just glide right up it. Okay, now look to your left, jump, and then tap X towards that pipe. And then you'll be on top of that pipe. You have to tap X. Now jump again and tap towards this whatever. And then jump and tap again. And then you should be in the middle with Clank. So now you're gonna go in here so that you can come here back and forth. That's what the hint was. If you didn't see it, this teleporter was there. So anyway, now I'm gonna get this titanium bolt because I never actually tried, and I was waiting for the video for dramatic effect. Cause I don't know what's gonna happen at all. Oh man. Yeah, you can break those boxes. Okay, here I go. Getting the bolt. Fixing the camera. Okay, here's the bolt. Wow, it says you have found a titanium bolt, and it's saved. Wow, that was pretty strange. Okay, now I'll show you another more secret that after you do this, you save, and since this will be here, you can do one thing. Okay, but between the times of 2:42 a.m. and 2:47 a.m., if you come to this location, on the other side will be a warp. Ah, you kidding me. 2:41. 2:41. Well, if you do come back in that time... Wait, I wonder if it'll come. Let's wait. 2:41. 2:41. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. Whoa, it appeared. That was pretty weird. 2:42. You go on it, and it says, press triangle to, oh, you can read it. Secret area. Back to the secret area. You press it, and you're in the ship. Flying in the ship. In the ship, flying. In the ship. Oh look, it's Poketaru. But it doesn't say it. Then what is it? It's this place. The treehouse. Unfortunately, you're not playing as Clank. You have Ratchet still. But this is the first time you can ever make it to the treehouse, since it's before you normally make it to Metalis. You can get back to your ship and fly to your places. You don't have many places. And when you fly to Metalis, this will happen. So you're flying into Metalis. And then, all of a sudden, no scene, and you're just as Clank. Here's another glitch I found too with Clank. When you die here, a button flashes saying enter ship, but it's not here yet. But if you press it anyway, your game will freeze,